Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 3 best mobility scooters. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3, we have the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. The Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter is designed sturdy, thanks to its expert layout. This mobility scooter for adults is a higher model of the antecedent 3-wheel version. It is crafted from pinnacle excellent materials for durability and electricity. It has 2 pairs of wheels for more advantageous balance. This additionally makes it similar to the commonplace wheelchairs. It is ideal for all sorts of all-out outdoors terrains, hard or maybe. It is an aggregate of perfect quality and advanced mobility for improved capability. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 2, we have the Atto Portable Folding Electric Mobility Scooter. The Atto Folding Mobility Scooter for adults tops the list because a nice developed by Moving Life Corporation. That is one of the smartest high-performance mobility scooters to be had nowadays. It has a LED display, brushless DC motor, patented expendable wheels, adjustable seat, and anti-flat tires. It has an array of modes to pick from during rides: power mode, trolley mode or even split mode. It is FDA authorized, SENTAV licensed. This means that it's pleasant and requirements are absolutely excellent. And finally at number 1, we have the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. This is some other splendid compact travel mobility scooter for adults, just like the other scooters from the Drive Medical business enterprise. This one is also quick and smooth to bring together and disassemble. One wonderful aspect approximately the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter is that it has an elegant and ergonomically comfy design. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this mobility scooters, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.